People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan people, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank each and every one of you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing on my videos, people. I appreciate it all. Big up in yourself. Much love and appreciation. So Thursday, September 3rd will be Jamaica's national election, people. Coronavirus are going, people them have to go vote, and please do it responsible. Do it responsible, people. May I tell you, be aware of your surroundings, and please go out there and vote for the people or the persons who have the right intention, the good intentions for Jamaica on a whole. Don't go out there just go vote, because vote for the people with the good intentions, who has Jamaica at the forefront of everything, who is willing to go above and beyond for Jamaicans and a whole people. Me I beg you see me, people, 2020 election, me no want to vote for somebody and then a second guess the voting and I say, yo, me wish me should have voted for that person or me should have voted for that person. No go vote for favoritism or who hot. Vote for the right person. Vote for the right person for Jamaica overall. You see me, I say, people, please, me I beg me I no PNP or me I no JLP. Me just want the right person for Jamaica. You see me? If you no feel say a bro God, vote in bro God. If you no feel say a Phillips, you no vote in Phillips, people. You see me? Me no live at Jamaica, but me still aware of what is going on in Jamaica, people, and me always want the best for Jamaica. No matter where me going in the world, me I wish the best for Jamaicans and Jamaica overall. You see me, I say, people, me a yard me come from cannot leave and forget which part me come from. So when me I go to people, me I go give you a throwback of the 2016 national election Jamaica, people. Yes, I go put in some pictures and clips and videos and thing of 2016 and leave in the comment section who you think I go win this 2020 election. Leave in the comment section, let me know when you think, people. Who have winning this election? You see me? May the best person win. Now that them say? Alright, mad.
This election, will you step down as PNP president?
If I lose, what kind of question are you asking me? If I lose, do I look like a loser?
It is a river, we have crossed it. If it is a